I remember I was in my 3rd year of dental school. I was working with a 4th year student. He was elevating on the front tooth, and all of a sudden, the tooth popped out. But it didn't pop this way. It went straight back over the patient's tongue and right down their throat. I don't think it touched anything on the way down. We both looked up at each other and I knew it was not good. From that day forward, I started using airway protection for all of my extractions, and it's a good thing for you to consider too. My favorite type of protection for the airway is actually called an Isodry. So Isodry is a mouthpiece that is made of silicone. It can be adapted to different sizes of mouths. It has a built-in bite block. It suctions for you. It retracts and isolates the tongue and cheek, and it keeps things nice and dry and clear so you can see what's going on while you're working. The second thing that I like to use is a C sponge. Now, a C sponge is also called a laryngeal sponge. It's a little oval shaped sponge that goes in next to the tongue, and it fills the space between the palate and the floor of the mouth. It protects the airway for the patient. It soaks up any fluids as you're working. It can be easily suctioned out by the assistant to keep it dry and make it absorbent once again. And it's nice because if your burr hits it, it will protect the tongue and keep the tissue safe, but it also doesn't catch on the burr and spin out like a piece of gauze would. Finally, there's a Weider Retractor. The Weider Retractor comes as a small or a large. I don't use them really much anymore, but I used to. The small is plenty good for lots of patients. You wrap a 4x4 gauze around it. Sometimes it can even hold itself in place, but most times your assistant will hold it for you, and it allows them to have some leverage to retract the tongue, isolate the operative field, and keep things nice and protected as you're working.